radial velocity method is one tool that astronomers can use to search for exoplanets in the distant galaxy. If you picture a star out in space, and there's a planet orbiting around it, you can see that the star's gravity is pulling on the planet, keeping it in orbit, but at the same time the planet's gravity is also pulling on the star just a little bit. If we look closely, we can see that the star moves in little orbits of its own. For now, we'll just consider the side-to-side motion and we'll exaggerate it a little bit to make things easier. So as the star's out in space, it's going to be emitting photons of light at a certain wavelength. But they don't stay at that wavelength. The wavelength changes depending on how the star moves. If you're out in space and you're looking at the star and it moves away from you, you'll see those wavelengths stretch out a little bit. And as they stretch, they become a little bit more red. As the star then moves towards you, the wavelengths of light will contract. And as they contract, they become a little bit more blue. So putting that together, we can see stretching out and becoming red as the star moves away, and contracting and becoming blue as the star moves towards us. Astronomers on Earth can look up at the stars and search for this change from blue to red and back to blue, and they can use that to find exoplanets.